Hi traders, quick look at the day's action. This is the Euro with the 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour charts. Tried to short took a little tiny scalp here on the Euro US dollar just down to this support. This is the gap. Unfortunately I got put in again just as the press conference started. They stopped me out and then ran it down, so not happy with that, but that's trading. Shorted the DAX in the end, again a little bit too low. We did a gap fill at 473, 475 and dropped into the range again at 430. So I just got to watch this. So that's two shorts I did. They both worked, but too low. So I've got to make sure that I'm getting a better entry on these charts. On the 15-minute chart, you will see that we came to the top of the zone and then came back into daily support, and yeah, we're range bound. We're under a lot of resistance now on that 4 hour chart. So let's just flick to the daily and then just see what this DAX looks like. You will see that this DAX is struggling. Here's the trend line. We've hit it on Monday and spent the rest of the week just drifting around in underneath the hat of that Monday range, of which a lot of that Monday range happened overnight anyway. So the DAX has not been allowing us to make the most of it, really. I thought we could at least test 388 today, but we didn't. So I'm not around tomorrow anyway. I would honestly leave it. If we hit 475 again and it sells, consider it. We've got a lot of data to get through tomorrow. We have a very, very long list. We've got a lot of Japanese inflation overnight. We have Spanish GDP in the morning, UK GDP, European inflation, US and Canadian GDP tomorrow. So there's a lot of data. So I suspect these markets may struggle. But overall, I am still looking for this gap fill. The DAX gap fill is 12,100. So 340 pips underneath this. So, like I said, I would, if we fib tomorrow's range, not expecting much to happen from here. So if we fib this, this is what I would have been looking at tomorrow. So you might want to look out for 475 or 490. If you've got a sell signal either here or here, you might want to try shorting. Otherwise, I would steer clear. I wouldn't buy this, particularly at the end of the week with so much data on the way. I can't see that that's going to get bought. I can only see this either moving sideways or selling into that resistance again. So that's my sort of tip for tomorrow, really. The euro, got European inflation at 10, so you might want to sort of avoid coming to the screens until 10 o'clock and see where you are. But 109.10 or 9.30, 9.50, these sorts of prices might be sold into. Or who knows? I mean, if you come to your screens again, let's look at the see what sort of range we're going to get tomorrow. If after all this data you find this 850 getting bought, you might want to buy that. Otherwise, I would look for a short at 930 to 955. These are the sorts of levels that you might find this selling at. Okay, otherwise I've been scaling in and out of the CAD all week, well the last couple of days at least. No, it is all weak. It is all weak, and we are range bound. I draw the support underneath here. We just dipped underneath that, probably done a little bit of a stop run, and we're holding up. It's CAD GDP tomorrow, so I would wait till that is out of the way now, because at the moment that is not doing what I want it to do, so I'm not sitting in positions. Okay, oil is still not closing well. I still think we could come and see 47.70 at this rate. And gold is flat to weak. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. Trade carefully, and talk to you. I will sort of a thorough analysis and preparation over the weekend. All right, bye for now.